It's $8 for this one pack. $8 hairstyle. So hello everyone. Hope all is well. I'm coming back with another crochet hair video, of course. I know I have been MIA, but an abundance of life has happened. So much life. I cannot begin to even explain.
The ring light is off.
The what?
The ring light is off.
Turn it on.
But we're down to sleep.
You can turn the light on. You can turn it on. Zion, look. What are you doing?
It's in my mouth.
Look. You can turn the light on. Go turn the light on. You're going to go up there. Take your tab. You can turn it on up there. But yeah, just so much life has happened. I mean, I don't know. But I'm going to try to remain positive. But I've already braided my hair. The standard pattern that I always do. Just braid it to the back. I have 14 across the top. I actually braided my hair yesterday. I always will suggest to wait a day or possibly 2 if you can, so your hair can loosen up. Can use steam or hot compress to help with that. But this is what I'm going to be using. It's by Zury. It's water wave. I think it's very pretty. Of course, you know they don't separate their hair on the packaging, but I do. This is 20 inches, so most likely I'm going to have to cut it in half. And I do all my scalp with this and the Danny crochet needle, scissors. Let me get started. Hopefully this is enough hair, but I've already took one off to kind of feel the way it looks. Really curly at the end. I was going to try another kind, and I saw this, and I don't know about y'all, but I always get what is being sold the most off of the shelves. I'm like, only like 3 of these left. And I always get questions asked on how my hair looks like it looks. I wet it. I wet the hair, get it dripping, just have it on a towel, and that's how I separate it. Because to me, when you separate it without it being damp, it does just this. Like it gets all loose looking. Not loose. Of course it's loose. Poofy is the word. So I cut it in half and just kind of pull it down because I don't want it to be too long. So I'm going to do that and then I will be back. Are we looking like that photo? You can leave yours long, but I ain't about that life. So yeah. Okay. So I'll get it. See, that's dripping. And I have my towel here. Have my mirror here. And I probably should have had a little bit of gel just to see. But you just want to kind of pull it down a little. And I like this hair because it's very yucky feeling. You just kind of pull it down some like this. Like that. You don't want too much of a piece. About like that. So discombobulate it. See? About like that. I think I'm going to put a little bit of gel on here. I can find what I did with my gel. But I'm through and not under. Like that. Today is Monday. What is it? Monday the 14th. March 14th is today's date. See where it stops? I know I have on a black shirt, but it stops right here. So even after I cut it, and I still will have to cut some of that off. Don't worry if you cut the hair. I want to find my gel. Put a little bit of gel on here. I'm trying to think in my mind, where is that gel? Where is the gel? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Don't pack the sides too much. But yeah, y'all, you know, like, so many things happen. This war is going on, or your personal life is going on. You're trying to just maintain this inflation. Is just crazy. Like $100 don't get you nowhere right now. $100 is like having $10 in your pocket right now. Like, I spent $300 over the weekend just going to the store. I went to 3 stores and spent $300 just on groceries. I need some food stamps. Crazy. So let me pack this in. I'm going to get some gel and put it on the hair just to weigh it down some more because I don't like how light it is. I want it to be, you know, I won't. So, yeah. Alright, this is how far I've gotten, and I got my gel. Just using this Wet Line Extreme. I really don't like this gel in my hair because it's like blue. So I don't mind using it on this hair. And this is all I'm doing is taking it and just kind of rubbing it. The hair is really, really light. Like very, very light. So, and my hair has grown so much. You know, I get a lot of comments about my rubber band base, but I'm like, no, I haven't lost any hair. I glob this in, like, when I say glob, glob. That's a glob. So yeah, I just glob it in. It's a good sealant, especially for these, like when you're putting the latch hook through. Just kind of in the front. Were you ever you don't want to break it? I love that grease. I used to get picked on by my sisters because when it was hot outside when we were younger, I would have so much in my hair. Like when I started sweating, it used to be blue and green, whichever color I had. I didn't care. My hair was not dry. Only thing I hated was like my pillows. So before bonnets were a thing, we used to use like stocking caps. That wouldn't always stay on your head, though. Or my mom would put an old pair of panties on your head or something. Boy, growing up as a 70s baby, the stuff you went through. Well, we made it. Yeah, this is all I'm doing is latch and hooking, as we call it. Going 4 times through. You're not going to have to worry about any slippage. Hair is very light, so just going to continue. Alright, this is actually the next day, and this is how far I got with it. Still have to kind of fill all this in. And some in the back. It's right now a love-hate relationship. Like, I like it short, so it won't be rubbing on my shoulders, and you can wear it either way, like in your deep side part or in like your regular part. So I still have to fill all of this in like that, but I prefer to have, when I have this particular style, I like the volume to be on the right side instead of the left. I have 1 pack left. I add a little bit of red in there, like these pieces here, as you can see. I cut a few out because I didn't like it. But I got like 1 of these left. It's a lot of hair, and I doubt if I use all of this, but I may try to just because I bought it. So this is where I am. Like I said, this is actually the next day because I got tired yesterday. Be strategic in how I place this actually on my head. So I'm gonna just finish. So I'm not gonna bore you. Spring break is coming up, and this gas is just crazy. It's just stupid. And the way I believe it, it ain't got shit to do with inflation. It's just these greedy ass corporations. We're not hurting for anything. There's plenty of food in the store. There's plenty of gas. There's plenty of everything. And all of these corporations that are quote unquote raising prices, shame on y'all. Shame on y'all. Like, seriously, it's ridiculous. Like, I'm so pissed off about it. I don't know what to do because you get raises at work, and look what comes right after you get a raise. Like, we got literally 2 raises within a year almost. One for a COLA, which is cost of living, and the other one was just because I guess there's too much money left over. Who knows why? But when you end in the black in your quarters, like these record sales, and you raise your prices, it's so crazy. So, only if I can say what I want to say. Only if I can say it without getting banned from YouTube. I would definitely say it. You have to be discreet and non-confrontational on here or whatever. But that's my rant. I'm gonna do a few more rants when I have y'all probably laughing at me. But I try to keep that part of my life away from the camera because it's time stamped forever. People save stuff. And I may change later on. And I'll be like, was that me? Oh, that was me? What was wrong with me? But yeah, people change. You know, they're passing this bill for daylight savings time to stay like it is now. I know I read research to see why. It was for farmers or something like that. I'm like, we have evolved as a people. So why are we still on a 40-hour work? It's going to be another whole conversation. So let me get done with my hair, and then I'll do another rant video about what I think about the world and the shit that goes on in it. So stay tuned. I will come back all dolled up and whatever and give you a final reveal. And I am done. This is actually day 5 here, day 7 here or something. I don't know. But I did not immediately record afterwards. But I'm going to tell you right now, I hate this hair. I don't like it at all. Would not recommend. It was a hassle to install it. Very tangly. Oops. Don't like it at all. Found this 444 necklace. It's my angel number from Shein. And also the cutest pants. Got cherries. I wore these today at work. Cute. They have a flared bottom. I really need to do a try on haul. Sorry, my 911 show is on. But yeah, this hair is awful. Once again, it's water wave braid 3-pack. Now, it was enough to do my whole head. I think I had like a few strands left. I'm thinking if you don't separate it, if you just leave it like that, it won't be as difficult to work with. But I had to end up using quite a bit of product, and it looks better on this side. I'm going to finish it the week out with it in there. I'm not going to take it out. This will be week 2. But like I said, personally, I don't like it. But let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm going to try to be more consistent. Just had a lot of life happen. Can't control that, so I just have to slow down and focus on things. You have to listen to your body. Like I said, I personally don't like it. I mean, if you like the fluffy type of hair, then yeah, but I will definitely stick to my Water Wave by Free Tress, or forget the other brand. I did it on my channel before. I like those curls because they're more silky. This is very yucky textured, and I don't like it. So let me know what you guys think. If you would try it out. Me personally, like I said, I'm not going to deter you from getting it, but it's a very great buy. It's $8 for this 1-pack. $8 hairstyle. So can't go wrong with that. So let me know what you think. And if you want to see any other type of content on a crochet braid, just let me know. You know, I'm a loose hair type gal. I don't really like twist or already braided hair or anything. I will wear it, but I don't prefer it. I like the volume, so I can kind of wear it in different styles. So thumbs up then we're gonna call it a day here. I got another little mini review to do on some lipstick. So you'll see that come up too. So I will post that probably immediately after or before this one goes up. I don't know. Deuces. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.